Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Padma area on October 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Padma area because I got the viewer yesterday their request to explore on this area. But now we also will explore Double Six Street. As we know together, Double Six is very famous in Bali. So we will see together how the situation at the moment in Double Six, also in Padma area. Okay guys, now we are in Double Six Street. You see left side and right side? Yeah, there is the shop still closed, but some shop is open. And as I told you before, this area is very famous for tourism business. So that's why in this area there is a lot of business people from other country. They buy a lot of stuff here and then they send to their country. So that's why in this area still quiet because export business in Bali still not really good in condition. You see left side and right side? Yeah, there is some shop is already open. And in this area is only very famous for wholesale shop. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Double Six Street. If I straight down there at the front, that is the way to go to Double Six Beach, around 400 meters. But I will turn left to explore Padma Utara Street. In this area, left side and right side, there is a shop. And also we have some hostel in this area. Ananta Hotel, right side. And you see at the front, right side, there is Kumala Pantai Hotel. But during the pandemic corona, they closed. It's very sad. I don't know what's going on down there. And you can see the sign on these hotels. A dragon, gold dragon. Okay, we continue driving to explore Padma Utara Street. Because yesterday I got a customer, they asking me to explore this area on Padma Utara Street. But at the end of this video, I also will show you how the situation at the moment in Legian Street. So just make sure you watching this video until the end. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people want to know the update situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Left side, yeah, there is hotel but they close. It's very sad. And right side, there is Kumala Hotel. Yeah, also look quiet. You see the building, Kumala Hotel? It's very beautiful, like in European hotels. Okay, now we continue driving to explore Padma Utara Street. If you see in the right side, there is the most famous hotel in this area. We call Jayakarta Hotel. You see? Also look quiet, isn't it? It's very sad. In Jayakarta Hotel is very famous for Australian, also for local people. And left side, there is a restaurant. And this hotel, some car parking there. That's good. Okay guys, now we are in Padma Utara Street. Look very quiet, isn't it? And if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, very wonderful weather today. You see right side, there is the hotel, Hawaii. Some car parking there, that is good. And also in this area there is a lot of shop and hotels. So that's why before the pandemic corona in this area also busy with the tourists walk around on the sidewalk. But today they still look very empty. You see left side? This is hotel. We call Amaris Hotel. This hotel is cheap but very nice to stay. And at the front there is Swiss Bell Hotel. Yeah, one car parking there, but looks still very quiet. Right side there is some restaurant. And left side there is a shop, but they are closed. You see right side? There is Puri Raja Hotel. Look very quiet, isn't it? It's very sad. And left side, there is all the shop is closed. Oh my God, it's very quiet. You see on the right side, there is the big hotel connecting by the beach. We call Melasti Legian. We'll sit together. Yeah, still look very quiet. Padma area is very famous for international tourism because Padma area in between Kuta and Seminyak. So that's why who people stay in this area, easier to go to Kuta and easier to go to Seminyak. You see building at the front left side? Yeah, actually lots young people make photo right there for Instagram. But today it looks very quiet. You see left side? This is EB style hotel. Oh, there is some car parking there. That is good. You see along the way? It's so quiet, isn't it? Just no car and motorbike drive around in this area. Left side, Three Brothers Hotel. Yeah, one car parking there. Not so bad. Okay, now we continue driving in Padma Utara Street. Right side, left side, that is all the shop is closed. It's very sad. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Padma Utara Street. And now we will explore Padma Street and also Legian Beach. If I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Legian. But we will turn right because we will explore Legian Beach. And on this area there is a lot of big hotel and also very famous hotel. You see right side, there is Padma Hotel. It's very big hotel, very beautiful hotel. But yeah, I think still quiet. Also there is big hotel left side, Bali Mandira Hotel. Yeah, actually some car parking there. You see at the front left side? Ah, that is good. It's very beautiful this area, isn't it? And this area just nearby the beach. You see at the front? That is the Legian Beach. So we'll see together how the situation at the moment in Legian Beach. As we know together, the airport international already opened yesterday, but there is no flight coming yet. So that's why in this area, Bali, still not so busy. But hopefully, start from next week, Bali will getting better and better and start busy again like before. Okay, along the way right side is the beach. So we will explore Legian Beach today. Okay guys, now we reach Legian Beach. Sorry brother and my sister, because this camera not stabilizer, because I just use mobile phone on this video. You see the beach is very beautiful, isn't it? It's very white sand, very clean and blue ocean. And also the weather today is very beautiful. Yeah, this is Legian Beach. Still look very quiet. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.